Assalamu alaikum ji. At the last day of ITCN Asia here in Karachi, we are honored to have Mr. Haider Azim, who is the country channel lead of H3C. Haider sahab, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
And welcome to Karachi, sir.
Thank you very much.
Haider bhai, tell me about your overall experience of ITCN Asia and how you compare it with the past ITCNs.
Thank you very much, Ishan. मैं सबसे पहले सिर्फ एक चीज़ ये कहना चाहूँगा कि in this situation, this is one of the greatest initiative taken by ITCN management, and I must appreciate all the participants who are in the different halls, because this is the courage actually shows that we are very much motivated, and we want to grow with the growth of Pakistan. So I request all the decision makers and the policy makers to please support us in terms of the individual growth and the company's growth. So this is my message, and I must appreciate on this thing.
Haider bhai, H3C now and your partner ecosystem, after your induction and team induction, how H3C is growing and what's your future plans?
For H3C especially, I must say from the last 1.5 year, there is a tremendous growth in H3C. So far we are around having 140 partners across Pakistan, out of which we have one very strong partner, which is SI Global as well, because we have seen their growth, and we are we feel privileged to be a part of SI Global growth as well. Rest, we have very big plans. Alhamdulillah, at the moment we are expanding in terms of HR, which is a very good sign that H3C is expanding. We have a big customer cases across Pakistan with us in terms of the multiple products and solutions we have sold. So like in coming days, we are coming up with the SMB product line as well. This is going to be our new venture. Very soon you'll be seeing as a consumer products, it is a new venture which is coming actually. So this is all about the H3C right now as well.
So, as we heard, a lot of happening in H3C. Yes, human resource is the biggest challenge for the principal, but H3C is developing its own team. So, Haider sahab, we have sales, we have pre-sales. What about the support service infrastructure of H3C in Pakistan now, and how you are catering? And one more thing, supply chain is a bigger issue than anything else. So how supply chain has been, challenge has been rectified by H3C?
Yeah, it's a very good question actually. With respect to support and support structure, because this is one of the most important area which H3C is focusing. So we have 3 warehouses in Pakistan, and whenever the partners or the customer, whenever they give an order, we bring spare parts along with that. This is the first thing. Second thing is we are much focusing on the empowerment of the partners in terms of after sales support, because we believe that they are the front line actually. The third thing is in terms of the logistics. So what we did is we have down very huge orders in terms of the stock with the distributors. This is the first thing. So in this situation, because there is a big jump in dollars, whereas on the other side we are very much focused on the business continuity of the customers. So for that reason, we believe that this is in this time actually, because of we actually help to partners to make a bottom line as well. So for the stock in the local market, we have now a huge stock available. So I can say very proudly on this thing that H3C is one of the biggest OEM right now in Pakistan who kept that stock in Pakistan, so partners and customer can approach us. Thank you very much.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Haider Azim, thank you very much, Haider bhai. One more thing, after ITCN, is there any plan for GITEX? I heard something big from H3C will be coming at GITEX.
Yeah, it's gonna be the first breakthrough in GITEX by H3C, and you will see a big change. Just for your information, we have crossed 20 countries in last 3 years. So GITEX, we believe that is one of the greatest platform to go deeper down in terms of MENA region and other countries like. So you will see from 16th of October to 21st of October. So I like to welcome you as well to come over there and see the power show as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Heather Saab. It's really a proud moment for us to be the partner of H3C, and under your leadership and vision, we hope and wish and pray that H3C will take a leap ahead. Inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you very
So nice.